This is Sung, the Principal and Director of Sky Academy, and we're going to continue now with our topic on functions and relations. And while in the last episode we looked predominantly at the definition and looking at what a function really is using the vertical line test, what we're going to be doing this lesson is looking specifically at the notation or the symbols and the way of writing functions and notations that you might encounter along this topic. Alright, so let's have a look. The main thing is that for a rule that looks like this, y equals to 9x plus 7, in function form it will look like this. F of x is what we use instead of y. F of x is equal to 9x plus 7. Alright, so that is the same as that, and basically you can even say that y is equal to f of x. Alright, and you often see that being used. Okay, where f of x is basically your second element, 9x plus 7 is the rule to get your second element, and x is where you input your first element. Okay, and so the ordered pair that you'll get from this function is x and f of x. Your first term would be x, your second element would be f of x. Alright, so let's have a look here. If f of x is equal to 3x plus 4, you might often see something that looks like this. What would f of 1 be? Well, basically what that means is what would your second element be if we put in the first element of 1? That's basically what it's asking for. So let's work this out. It's 3 times 1 plus 4. What would it be equal to? 7, right? And it's a familiar, hopefully it might even be a familiar little rule, but the ordered pair that goes with it is 1, 7. Does that make sense? Alright. F of 0 would be 3 times 0 plus 4, which is 4. So your ordered pair that goes with it would be 0, 4. And f of 3 would be 3 times 3 plus 4, which equals to 9 plus 4, which is 13. What would you get? 3 and 13 would be your ordered pair, right? So that's just a little bit to help you get used to functions and functional notation. Okay, there's not really too much in it, but have a look. Make sure you're familiar with it because it gets used a whole lot more. Thank you very much for watching.